Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm really pleased to be unboxing a brand new product from Geneva. Their little portable radio, Bluetooth radio that is, their Touring S Plus. This nuggety little radio is astonishing as far as its overall sound performance, and it is so stylish and great battery life, all of those types of things that you would want, and at a very realistic price. So let's have a look. Firstly, it comes to us sealed in its factory plastic. The packaging is good and it's quite heavy, implying immediately the quality of the product that you're going to see inside. Opening that sort of factory plastic is pretty straightforward. Start the process and then tear the rest off. As we look at it out of that sort of plastic part and have a drill into some of the key features, you'll see on the packaging it talks about FM and DAB, talks about Bluetooth, there's a line input, gives you up to 20 hours playtime, and that's actually a realistic figure. I've had one of these running in the shop consistently all day for a couple of days, so there's 16 to 20 hours straight away, when most of the time these battery ratings are in ideal circumstances. It's great to know that they have rated it more conservatively. It's rechargeable and has a good lithium ion battery on board. It's worth noting it's got this big sticker, 100 dB. Now that's from the unit's ability to produce a reasonable amount of sound and a good little passive radiator at the back to extend the bass. It's got a hang cell, should end up in a shop like that, and some information about that passive radiator and the colour options on the bottom. Opening the unit from there is a factory sealed flap. Okay, revealing the unit's packaging. Now, it's worth mentioning it has a comprehensive multi-language manual, a little bit of foam, and then inside it the radio itself. And when I drag this out, you will see why I love this little product. Seeing it for the first time, how gorgeous it is from a style perspective. Further in the packaging we have a good quality, really long USB cable. It's a USB micro. This is for the purposes of charging only. It's worth noting that it doesn't come with a USB power supply. It is specifically, you know, we've all got them nowadays, so they haven't bothered to add one. Okay, so looking at the unit, firstly from a style perspective, it's excellent to see something so modest in price, so well built. It's got a great fit and finish to it. It's worth noting that all of the colour options, so the cognac, red, white, have the silver two-tone. The black comes in a really staunch black colour scheme. In fact, hang around for some photographs. I'll take a few of the ones of my favourite, which is the black one, which sees all of this in black. It looks kind of staunch, and lit up with its red display looks amazing. That's apart from, of course, its main performance, which is its reception and overall quality of sound. Looking at it, the unit has an aerial. Now it's worth mentioning that if you trim or bite your fingernails, you're going to have trouble getting this aerial out. It's not sprung loaded in any way, and should you be in a poor reception area and need to pull the aerial out, you're going to need to dig it out with your fingernail. I've had no trouble so far, and I don't necessarily have long fingernails. Okay, the aerial is long and of good quality, so you should have no issues as far as using that. Next button along the top is for the presets associated with the radio stations, and then the manual scrolling up and down, either tuning or selecting from the presets are both in there. Next button along switches between FM and DAB. Unfortunately DAB is relatively irrelevant in New Zealand, but it's got very good FM reception. The next button is Bluetooth, so this can be utilised for wireless playback from your phone or other things like that. And pushing hold puts it into a pairing mode. The large circular disc at the top is for volume and on and off, and charging is illuminated at the front in the display. This section is where the speaker is, of course, and rolling it around you'll see the seam, and then the back where there is the passive radiator. And again, hang around for some photographs. Beside that is the 5-volt USB for the purposes of charging, the line input and the Bluetooth sync button. Okay, so there we have it, this nuggety little radio from Geneva, the Touring S Plus. FM radio with Bluetooth, passive radiator, excellent big sound from a little box. unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.